I think one of the neat things that my patients have discovered about bariatric surgery is that it's not just about the surgery. It's really about getting a new lease on life and new opportunities, doors open that they never would have thought would be open to them in the past. My role models were country doctors. I used to shadow a surgeon named Dr. Doolittle in Nebraska, and he was the only surgeon for 50 miles in any direction. So he used to travel to all these different towns in Nebraska, operating in these little different towns. And when I was in high school, I would just stand right over him in surgery and watch the surgery that he was doing. But he was a magnificent surgeon. But one of the really neat things that I learned from Dr. Doolittle was the art of connecting with patients. Even though he was traveling to a little town and he might have only met this patient once or twice, by the time they were rolling into the OR, he knew all about them personally. They were on a first name basis, and he really taught me how important that is to really connect with people so they can have a successful recovery. Once patients have gone through a few months of preparation for surgery, they start thinking about what surgery is actually going to feel like. And I think the best resource for those patients is actually talking to some of my patients who have actually gone through it. What they describe is that they feel like they've been to the gym, they've done a lot of sit-ups. It's an element of muscle soreness, but there's no internal pain. People are frequently surprised to know that they can go back to work 5 or 7 days after the lap band or the gastric bypass. The recovery is the same for both of those surgeries as well. When my patients go home either on the same day of a lap band or 2 days after surgery with a gastric bypass, they go back to work in about a week. I think that one of the most rewarding aspects of my practice is really watching my patients become empowered and reach out to other patients. Once people have such a wonderful feeling about themselves and where they are in their lives, they really want to reach out to other folks and share the benefits of what they've done.